Open the mobile app. Open menu and select credit card. Enter credit card number. Enter month, year, and CVC number. Enter amount to top up and press submit. Wait for the bank authentication and authorization. This may take a minute to process. Green message means successful transmission only. Do not touch the screen. When the screen turns white, this means that the bank is still processing the transaction. Please wait for a few more seconds until the ParkNcharge map appears on the screen. Please wait and do not interrupt the process to avoid delays. When a green bar appears and then the map is displayed, this means that top-up is successful. Go to menu and check the displayed balance. You should see the new and updated balance. Thanks for watching.